हूबहू उत्तर प्रदेश से मिलता है, जिसका मतलब आरएसएस से आ रहा है।
Try to ask central government also to intervene in the matter.
मर रहे, सड़ रहे, गल रहे, तो आसाम में भी इसे एक माहौल बनाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma on Monday tabled the Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021 on the first day of Assembly's budget session. The bill would replace the existing Assam Cattle Preservation Act 1950, which allowed the slaughter of cattle above the age of 14 after approval from local veterinary officers. The bill provides that the sale of beef or its products will not be allowed in areas that have a predominant population of Hindus, Sikhs, Jains and other non-beef eating communities, or within a radius of 5 km of any temple, shatra or other religious institutions belonging to Hindus or any other institution. The bill also states that the transport of cattle from places outside Assam to any place within the state will also be banned by the legislation. Further, movement of cattle from one place within the state to another located in Assam will also be restricted. In lieu of this, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had expressed concern about the bill before it was introduced.
And obviously, if there is an issue which is there that's going to hamper our people and our economy, the matter will be taken up not only with Assam government, but we will try to ask central government also to intervene in the matter.
Similarly, in a press release, Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Theri stated that caution should be taken before passing the Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021. He said that the bill should not be detrimental to the inherent trade and food habits of the Northeast. The NPCC president further added that they cannot simply change their culture to suit the mainland, as they need to be tolerant with the surrounding environment. As a reaction to the stated bill, State Opposition Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi on Tuesday said that the changes in the Assam's cow protection bill are influenced by the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh rather than the culture of the state.
तो अगर कुछ आइन लाना है तो हमारे संस्कृति के अनुचित होना चाहिए, हमारे संस्कृति के अनुसार होना चाहिए, जो वर्तमान की जो आइन है उसको लेके होना चाहिए। लेकिन ये सब ना करते हुए ये एक ऐसा आइन लेके आए हैं जो हूबहू उत्तर प्रदेश से मिलता है, जिसका मतलब आरएसएस से आ रहा है। असम में गोरक्षा को लेके हमारी संस्कृति है ही, हमारे बिहू में हम एक पूरा दिन एक देते हैं।
Reacting to the legislation, opposition parties of Assam and minority organizations said that the bill could lead to communal tensions and also affect the livelihood of many involved in the cattle trade business legally. Muhammad Aminul Islam, an All India United Democratic Front AIUDF MLA, made a statement on the same.
आप बिक्री में इतना कंडीशन है, वो जब फुलफिल नहीं कर पाएगा, वो बेचारा सरकार को आप ले जाओ, गौशाला बनाना होगा। आप गौशाला बनाइए, आप महाराष्ट्र, आप मध्य प्रदेश और यूपी में आपने देखा होगा, गौशाला में खाना मतलब जो उनको खाना प्रोवाइड करना है, पानी प्रोवाइड करना है, मेडिसिन नहीं दे पा रहे, मर रहे, सड़ रहे, गल रहे, तो आसाम में भी इसे एक माहौल बनाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Consumption of beef is not illegal in Assam, but once enacted, Assam would join other BJP-ruled states like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka, which have similar legislation to protect cows. News Desk, Nagaland TV.